Hi, and welcome to YouTube channel Talk Hair Couture. My name is Elise, and I'm going to be showing you some styles today that we can create using Hair Couture's ballerina bun. Over the last few months, the ballerina bun has been really popular due to the fact that high top buns have been really popular in fashion and for everyday casual looks. It's a really easy way to look stylish when you really don't want to put a whole lot of effort into it on the day-to-day. But the bun can also be used in formal occasions and partying and clubbing and all that good stuff for an everyday or every night kind of look. Today we're going to be showing you how to use the bun the way it was intended, and then I'm going to show you a couple of ways to kind of modify it and use it depending on how you want your end look to come out. So this is Hair Couture's ballerina bun. It's high quality synthetic hair. It's very textured and it's very dimensional. All of the colors that it comes in have kind of a mix to it so that it's not one solid tone. It doesn't look plastic or unrealistic. It looks very, very real, and that was pretty much one of my favorite things about it when I had first seen it. The shorter pieces kind of create that natural look. It's nothing too perfect, but again, you can always kind of sleek it down to make it more sleek or more kind of textured for a more fun look depending on which way you want to go. So first I'm going to show you how to use it the way it was intended, placing it over your natural hair, completely concealing your natural hair inside the bun. You really don't need much to it. Again, this is something that's supposed to be easy. I'm just going to put my hair up in a ponytail exactly where I want to see that bun placed. Usually pretty high. Perfect. Before I put my natural hair inside the ballerina bun, I do like to add like a little bit of volume right in front here, just to kind of give it some more style, bring some pieces down, make sure it's nice and tight. Just keep playing with it until you really kind of create that look that you like. Okay, now I'm going to take the ballerina bun. It has two ways to secure itself. First, we have this inside clip that I stick in first, and then it has a drawstring which I pull tight when I get it into place. So first, I'm going to just kind of take this clip. Putting it under the rubber band usually is the best place and where it feels most secure. And then I'm going to go ahead and stick my natural hair inside the bun. I'm going to find that drawstring in the back here and pull that nice and tight, and also place that underneath right where my natural hair is. And that's it. I can kind of comb it to make a sleeker look. I can also pin it in places to keep it a little bit lower. Right now it feels super secure. I don't feel like I need to pin it anywhere to keep it in place, but sometimes I like to put it down a little bit in some areas just to really make it look good. I like to pull down some pieces where you can kind of see my lighter highlights, and that really makes it blend a little bit better with the color. It really looks like I kind of have an ombre with a deeper root and where my ends are lighter, but all in all looks very natural. Sometimes kind of pulling the hair down a little bit kind of gives a more casual look, but it's a lot of fun to play with. And there you have it. That's how the ballerina bun goes on super quick and easy. Now, what I also like to do too, and because I'm the type of person that changes up their hair color quite a bit, I don't always have this blonde look. When I need to still create a top bun and I still need the fullness, but maybe my hair color is a little bit darker, I can still utilize the bun pretty much in the same way, but I turn it into more of a ballerina bun scrunchie. When I need to do that, I have modified this bun in one way. I have created a little hole on top so that I can pull my natural hair through. What that then does is I can wrap my natural hair around the bun to create that full bun look, but something a little bit more along the lines of the current color that I currently have. So my ends back here aren't as light, and sometimes there can be a little bit of a contrast. I still think that this light look still looks just fine, especially since I have these lighter pieces up here and it kind of creates an ombre. But if I wanted a darker bun, or if I wanted to just utilize my own hair around it, I still would rather use one of these than trying to use one of those socks or one of those foam type donut pieces that really don't give you the same look. They're sometimes a little bit too neat, and then when you can see through them, you see a sock or you see foam. With this, you will always see hair, so it really still looks much more realistic than utilizing one of those. So what I do with that, I'm going to go ahead and place it up just like I had before. And I'm going to secure it into place. I do like to add a little bit of volume in front before I add that on there. And bring some of these pieces down, are always kind of fun. Now, instead of just covering my natural hair, I'm going to utilize this little hole that I've put in here, and I'm going to put it on like a scrunchie, pulling my hair right through it. I'm going to find that clip and secure that into place. And tighten the drawstring as well and tuck that right under. Now I'm going to take my natural hair and take any kind of regular comb or even a brush, kind of hold it a little bit tight and slowly comb down. This is kind of creating almost like a tease, but what it does is it kind of just creates volume, kind of making the most out of the little hair that we have. Now that we've created some volume, we just kind of fan it out so that it covers all around. And then we just grab it by section and pin it into place. What's great about this is that the hairpins can go directly into the bun piece, which makes it feel way more secure. And I just take this little section by section until all of my natural hair is tucked in under the ballerina bun. Now I have a much different look with a darker hair color, but still that nice full bun rather than the little one that I wouldn't be able to create on my own. And boom, we're done.